Hey guys, welcome back to Keep Up with Jones. Let's take a look around and do another update on our home build, and let's see where they're at. There's been a lot of activity up here today. They're finally going to get ready to pour the foundation. Walk across the bridge. That's going to be the covered lanai there, so you can see like the main support beams are going to be there and in a corner. So yeah, there we have it. Looks like they're have a bunch of rebar and stuff they'll probably put down. They'll put plastic rebar and they'll get that set up. I look for them to do that probably tomorrow. And maybe next week we'll be pouring some concrete. One can only hope. Thanks for watching.